Hello you wonderful people. Today Christian Spicer will teach you how to make a GIF animation on Adobe Photoshop. How great is that? First we open up Photoshop on our computer or device we are using. Then we open or import a picture file of your choice, ideally a PNG transparent picture. Here's one I made myself. Then, move your cursor into the Windows menu and press Animation to bring up the necessary components of creating the animation. Head on down to the Layers panel and duplicate the layer of your picture twice like so. Then head on down to the Frames panel on the bottom and click on the Add New Frame button to duplicate the frames for editing. We click on the first frame of the animation panel and hide the top two layers. Then go to the second frame and hide the bottom layer, and open the eye icon on the second layer. We can now rotate the image by clicking on the image and pressing Ctrl-T. Rotate by holding the left mouse key outside the box of the image, and press Enter when done. Then we can select the fourth frame and select the top layer and open the eye icon, and close the middle eye. Now you can rotate this layer as well. Now select all four frames, hold Shift while mouse left clicking each frame, and change the time interval to 0.2 seconds, or make it any speed that suits you the most, to make sure each frame is running at the same speed. Now you can export the entire GIF by going to File and clicking on Save for web and devices. Make sure to change the preset to a GIF and save onto your computer, and you have yourself a one-of-a-kind animation. Now you can make the basic GIF on Photoshop. Give yourself a pat on the back. This has been Creating a GIF with Christian Spicer. See you next time.